So you want to start posting TikTok videos but you have no idea where to start? Well, in this video I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to create and upload your first TikTok video. So if you don't know what TikToks are, they're basically a vertical format video. They can be anywhere from 3 seconds to 1 minute long. TikToks are really easy to create, so let's start off by opening up the app. So start off by opening up TikTok. To watch TikToks, all you have to do is go onto the home page and start scrolling. You can like, comment and share your videos on here. When it comes to actually creating a TikTok, click on the plus icon in the middle home bar. And then you'll see that you've got 4 options here. You've got 15-second video, 60 seconds. You can preview a few templates to start your video. And you also have the option to live stream, but that's only available after you have 1,000 followers. So let's go back to the 60-second video. You'll see that you've got a few options here. You've got flip, speed, filter, enhance, timer, and flash. So flash is pretty self-explanatory, and so is flip, just flips your camera around. The speed option determines your playback speed on your video, so you can do 0.3 times and up to 3 times. Then you have the filter, so if you want to add a filter onto your video and make it look a little bit more edgy, you do it here. Then the enhance feature, this is for your face, so if you want to warp your face a little bit, you can do that here. And finally, we have the timer option, so you can do a 3-second or a 10-second timer. Now, if you want to add effects to your video, you just click on the effects panel right here. You have hundreds and hundreds of effects to choose from. Now, to make your TikToks, you have 2 options. You can either press the big red record button right here, and you can zoom in if you want as well, do whatever you want. And then the other option is to use it from your camera roll, so just select a video in your camera roll, and then here you can start to trim it. You can select multiple videos if you want and trim it accordingly. Once you're happy, just press next. Now you'll see you've got 2 options on the top, filter and voiceovers. So if you want to add a voiceover, just do it here. If you want to add music, effects, text or stickers, you do that at the bottom. So here we're just going to add some music. You can go into the library right here. We're going to go into TikTok viral, I think. And then you can preview whatever music you want. And once you found one you like, just press on the tick icon. A cool feature here is you can also tweak the volume. So if you want your original sound to be louder than your background music, then you can do that here. If you want to add text, just click on the AA, then add your text accordingly. You have a few different fonts, so you've got classic, typewriter, handwritten, and so on. If you want to change it to have a block text or have a little overlay, then you just click on that box icon. To move your text around, just drag it around wherever you want. If you want to change your duration of your text, just click on set duration and use the sliders accordingly. Once you've done that, your text will appear at different times throughout your video. Once you're happy with it, just press next and then you can select your cover photo. Here you can just scrub through the video and find a frame that you like. And if you want to add a cool little text template, you can also click on one of the following templates and add a title. Once you've done that, just set your description, do your hashtags. You can then select if you want to add a link, allow comments, allow duets, allow stitches, or save to your device. You can also automatically share to WhatsApp, Instagram stories, and Snapchat. Once you're ready, just hit the post button and then you've just uploaded the video to TikTok. But there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next video.